that's just the classic scenario that when your boat goes up in flames, it tends to take the 30 boats sat around it with it.
And of course that happens every day.
Only about 3 times a year average internationally.
2 days after we got married, Carla suggested we sell everything, buy a boat and set sail. A year later we did just that. In the Canaries we picked up our naked sailor, Dobby. This is our adventure. So here we are, week number 12?
Let me see on the food, 12.
Week 13.
13.
Unlucky for some, eh? Your ones are the best, aren't they?
Look at this ceiling, it's beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. We're really pleased with this. We did have a bit of a problem getting it going and working out how to do it, but we've kind of got the knack of it now.
Yeah, the technique.
And our aim for this week, which might only be 4 days because we may have to go out for a day, is to finish this ceiling
and the sidewalls.
Sidewalls in the white. So that's our big challenge this week.
So it's going to make a big difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah.
Yep, and the kitchen will be on order this week, and it's only going to be a couple of weeks, so that's good. So after that we can move on to doing the floor, which means getting rid of everything out of here, all the bits and pieces. And
yeah,
stuff.
I know.
So,
it's clean up what we're going to do.
Yeah. So brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Yes. So this is going well today. We just put another set of lights here, and so we have another 1, 2, 3, and we finish this part of the ceiling and go to the back one. Hopefully by the end of the day today we'll have at least half of the second end done.
ceiling finished in the main saloon.
Yeah.
Actually, it was 2 days.
Yeah, it was 2 days of work.
2 days of work, which was incredible time saver because the ceiling.
It's much easier because it's just putting up and down. It's just a strip, which is much easier, lighter, and then it's easy to work.
And it looks absolutely stunning. And it's finished. It's beautiful. It's fire retardant. I think it's fantastic. Absolutely brilliant. Really pleased we found it. And on with next thing.
Next, we're just covering this doghouse.
Yeah. Tidy up the doghouse.
We put the finish here, which we don't have enough for this side, so we're gonna order some more. Yeah. And then we're gonna do the sides now. Yeah. Because tomorrow we are on the walls.
Hey, 2 days on the walls. We get the walls done this week.
Yeah, we have a strict calendar at the moment.
It wasn't long before we had cut the panels and covered them with the foam and the vinyl, and the doghouse was finished. We managed to catch up with the boat safety inspector, who issues a boat safety certificate for the River Thames. Later on, the boat will have to be inspected before we're allowed to sail on the river.
That's just the classic scenario that when your boat goes up in flames, it tends to take the 30 boats sat around it with.
And of course that happens every day.
Only about 3 times a year average internationally.
Looks perfect. No?
Yeah, I think I'd take a little off here because we've got to get the wrapping round there.
Yeah.
Maybe just a little off there.
Yeah, not very much because we don't want to have another finish to do there.
No, but we'll go take some dust pick there. Okay, we'll just go as it is. Pull this out slightly, won't we?
So don't bother to take that cable out because you're gonna have to.
Yeah. Pretty good, isn't it? Right, well this is never going to sit, this is going to sit on top of the window here, I'm dead certain, because it's this batten sticks out too far, and this batten sticks out too far.
Here is on the top too, but you need to take a little bit unless we can go up. Well, we have to go up more. Okay.
Yeah. off the bottom.
Can you lift a bit this?
So that doesn't go face down.
So this is the front. So that goes face down. We're right, yeah?
This could go to you. So,
So this has been a good week, really.
it has been a good week, but it's been quite frustrating.
That's because we are dealing with finishings that
Yeah.
they're going to be seen. So we
Yeah.
want to be perfect. So it doesn't show any imperfection, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically.